talk today is about working memory spoken by Peter Doolittle. According to his speech, working memory indicates that we are consciously aware of something in every moment. He said it is closely related with our lives, although we don't perceive it. We perceive that we are using it. Also, working memory performs its role in synthesizing and organizing the necessary information from the long-term memory. Therefore, working memory is essential for people to understand their surrounding circumstances. However, it has limitations in capacity, duration, and focus. He gave some examples of limitations by asking questions such as, have you ever forgotten the reason why did you move to another room? Or have you ever concentrated more on other people's conversations and felt interesting more about it, although your partner kept talking to you? These examples are about limitations in capacity and focus. And now let's talk about the strategies to overcome the limitations of working memory. He suggested 4 strategies. First, he claimed that people should try to repeat and practice a situation or problem at the moment, not after a week or month. Also, people try to think elaborately and illustratively, such as connecting new information with prior knowledge. And he also suggests that using images can help to increase the efficiency of working memory. Last, people need to organize information by using their own way. To sum up, working memory is inextricable in our life because people always think. And I like the examples of limitation in working memory because it helps me to understand the function of working memory. Thank you for listening.